Hello everybody, I just wanted to make sure that we go through how to save files so that you can get your full grade on it, and I also wanted to make sure that you knew how to save and upload files if they're too big for Moodle to handle. So in each of the assignments down at the bottom where it says submission, it should say use this naming structure, and it should say your first name and last name, dash week, whatever week you're on, dash poster number, whatever poster number you're on, or mockup number you're on. And you can see there's two different file types, a PSD and a PNG. So we're going to use that as our save-in. So I'm going to go into Photoshop now. I have this poster and I have it named already, so I want to show you how to save both the PSD and the PNG and how to upload it. So we'll go to File, Save As, and I'm going to put it on my desktop because it's easiest to find for me. And I'm going to call it my first name and last name, dash week 3, dash poster number 3, or whatever week you're on. So we'll click Save. And that's going to save the Photoshop document, the PSD. Then I'm going to go into File, Export, Quick Export as a PNG, and click that. And I'm going to save it on the desktop again. And it should already have that naming scheme saved. So now it's set as a file type for PNG. I'm going to save that. And so now on my desktop, I should have both the PSD and the PNG. So now I can go into Add Submission and scroll down. And you either can click this or you can drag and drop. I'm going to drag and drop my files because I've already named them the right way. So I have both of them right over here. And I can just drag those into the box on Moodle and it will upload them. The PSD is always going to be slower because it's a bigger file type, and the PNG is a flattened image. So the PSD has all of the layers that I can click through and look through and make sure that you've followed all of your directions for using the tools. And that's what I really need to see. The PNG, I can usually see most of what you guys have worked on because Photoshop has a lot of that ability. I can see when you've used a gradient, for example. But in the event that I can't see it, I need to go into your PSD and look for that layer and just make sure that you know how to use the software. So now that those are uploaded, I want to make sure that I show you how to upload them if it's too big for whatever reason. So if Moodle says this Photoshop document is too big, we can't accept this file size, then we have a workaround. Moodle is very touchy about file sizes lately. So we're going to go into your Outlook, that's your email, and we're going to click on this cloud button, this OneDrive, and you can upload your files onto here. So I've already uploaded both of these. I'll show you how to do that one more time. So I'm going to just drag and drop these two files right into the folder that I created for Photoshop, and whenever that's done uploading, they'll show up here just like this. And what I can do is I want to go and right click that link, that file. I'll say Manage Access. And then where it says Share, I want to change that copy link. I'll click on Link Settings and I want it to be set to anyone. So that's anyone in OCCC, anyone with the link, anything like that can access it. So you can choose which one you want. If you want it to just be me, you can say people you choose, and you can say type in my email address. But anyone makes it most accessible. So I'm going to click Apply, and I'm going to copy that link. Now I have that link copied. I'm going to go back into Moodle, and in this online text section, I can Control V to paste it, and now I have a link that I can click on whenever I'm grading to access it. So we can do the same thing with the other option. So the PSD file, we can say Manage Access. Click on that Share button, click on the little options gear and set it to anyone and apply. And I'll copy that link. The link is copied. And I'll go into Moodle and paste that. So now I have both of those files saved as online text, and that's if it's not accepting it over here. So that way you don't have to email it to me, and you don't have to stress out that I won't be able to get it because the file is too big. Your OneDrive account should have plenty of cloud storage to be able to handle PSD files, and this is a really quick and easy way to make sure that I can get access to them. So now I'll just click on Save Changes. And now it is submitted for grading, and I'll get that updated for you whenever I have the chance. Alright, that's all I wanted to go over. Thanks, you guys.